It's your boy Herb.
And your girl Cece.
Know what I'm saying? And let's get, know what I'm saying? Let's answer the question, know what I'm saying? Even though we ain't got no question. But let's just know we here to stay, man. Here to stay. Got everything here to stay. Know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Keep it rocking like a cut-off stocking. Anyway, know what I'm saying? We're going to react to this Carmen and Corey. Did you say your girl's name, Cece? Did you say it?
Yeah, I said my name is Cece.
Oh, yeah. Too busy work. But anyway, we're going to react to this, know what I'm saying? Carmen and Corey pray condoms in the car. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? We ain't even. We just know.
I'm eating lemon, y'all.
We is not prepared, alright?
Nope.
None at all. None at all.
I'm sorry.
You got to click on that right there.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Oh,
hey, my bad, you know what I'm saying? You know, we don't cuss around here. Like, cussing is bad.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? You know.
Oh, you gotta click on that.
Goodness gracious, man. You got a lot of rules here.
No, you gotta click on that.
Oh, the eye.
Yeah. Oh my god, yo. You gotta still click on it, bro. Oh my god.
It wasn't my fault.
I know, wait, God. God.
First of all, you got to specify what the fuck you talking about.
Oh my god.
My bad, I ain't say the F word, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god. You can tell we've been gone for a minute, okay? You know what I'm saying? You can tell. But anyway, know what I'm saying?
What?
Know what I'm saying? You gotta put in the earphones, bro.
Oh.
Don't be playing out loud. Y'all see all the unpreparedness right now, okay?
First of all, this is your fault, you know what I'm saying? You were supposed to do all this.
Know what I'm saying?
Now cover up the speech. Come on.
Oh my god, dude. Alright. We finna get into it.
Oh, a couple
it's not. I promise not to do you wrong. Baby girl, you know that he was wrong. I'll always be your backbone. I'll always keep you standing strong. Baby girl, I want you for the rest of my life. There's no lie.
Okay, that nigga
There's
got a
no
fresh
lie.
cut.
No, there's no lie. Baby girl, I want you for the rest of my life. There's no lie. There's no lie. No, there's no lie. You know, I just wanna.
He's on that bitch.
That's an old ass car.
That nigga ain't got no middle console on that bitch.
Hell no.
You hear blunts? Yeah. Oh, that's the condom. Come on, like blunts.
Serious.
Oh, you got a
I'm finna say, bro, that shit look old as fuck.
I don't know what that motherfucker about shit, man. You know what I'm saying?
He trying to be like DJ So Cool so bad.
I just got my pictures there. I'm happy.
That's your pictures?
Yeah.
What pictures?
Little fashion over ones.
Oh, okay.
But I gotta make sure they right.
Oh, baby. Y'all ready?
Oh, hold on, baby. I forgot this.
Hot,
old
nigga,
school.
That's old school, though. You gotta.
Like demon.
So this one you're not gonna get.
Hey, you ain't gotta snap it that hard now.
I ain't gonna say this one you're gonna get mad at.
I ain't gonna get mad, but then
No, I'm saying just like, you just little.
Yeah, you gotta put a little sauce to it, but you don't slam it down hard,
OBS
man.
Studios, if
Like,
you're
really
reacting.
You like this? So yeah, before we go, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you
Yeah,
got
you start
Babe,
up.
so in this one, you drive this to Alabama.
Yeah.
You think this gonna, it's still good enough?
it depends if I put the LS mode in it. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta hold the mic.
I can drive that bit out of
Got the wrong earphones.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Nice ass box shit.
I like it. It's very clean. Like the roof is very, very clean.
Yeah.
This is actually my first time actually like getting
I know
in.
what I'm saying. Why I told him to take you for a
Don't be
ride,
telling
man.
the
You know
truth.
what
What the
I'm
fuck
saying?
you doing, snitch?
You know what? I take
It's crazy. Like this is really an old school car.
Carmen out here looking bad though.
Man,
Look at this.
She do.
Hey, you only see this on Zoom.
It's a custom store over here though. This custom, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and I like my
This is a sign they be hearing the rich people when they time to bring the food out. That was lame, huh?
What? I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
What?
Okay, so when we go out with the kids, right there.
Oh, y'all got all here. Okay, hold on.
Oh, but they ain't got no cup holder.
It's the only thing about it. When I get the new interior, I'm gonna get a cup holder right here on the side, right here. You understand? Put it right there.
It's like this is space. How we say?
Yeah, spacious. Yeah, spacious. Yeah,
It's like, and then right here, this give me a vibe like you know when you got the big like big truck.
Yeah. Exactly.
Let me see. Like when you got a big truck, babe. Sometimes 3 people can be riding on the front. Like you know how in the back, you see in the back, it's like 3
That's
people.
why I ain't got no middle console.
And right here it's like 2. But like if you really want to move, or if you want to have like somebody else, you can just like easy right here. You go right there.
Exactly. It got more. It got extra space and shit like that. It got extra space, huh?
You got condoms in here? Corey. You got condoms in here?
You doing mine?
Don't play with me. You got condoms in here?
We don't use those.
Who is those? Clearly it's not ours because we don't use it, but why they on your card?
We probably don't want to do what I bought the car from the dude.
Fact.
You wash your car. You cleaned your car.
I washed it.
You been on here.
I didn't clean the inside. I didn't clean the outside.
You been how long?
I didn't clean the inside of the car.
How long the car been here?
Like 4, 5
I'm not gonna play with you. Like, if you're doing something, just go ahead and let me know. So therefore, you won't be no drama or get mad for no damn reason. Why you got this in here?
I'm telling you, this not mine.
Why you got this in here?
It's not mine.
Corey, stop playing with me. Why you got condoms in here, dude?
I'm telling you, it's not mine. The dude bought the car. When I bought the car from the dude, I didn't even see that. Where you get it from?
The dude checked the car before he left, my guy.
I don't know.
Everything.
I
saw him. He checked everything before he left. What did you saying?
So my point is
exactly. This been here for a couple
days.
It's
not mine, bro. I'll tell you, it's not mine.
So who called it like this?
Not mine.
She disrespectful.
If you're doing something, just let me know.
I'm not doing nothing.
Corey, you took this car out. Who was in this car? Who was in this car?
Me and Terrence.
Me,
baby CJ, baby.
No, you took this car alone. Who was in this car?
No, I didn't take it along with
me. You somebody in this car?
What the fuck? We got a question.
Why you got condoms in this car?
It's not mine. I'm telling you, it's not mine, girl.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, yeah, you already used them. Wait.
I didn't use these. I didn't use these. I didn't talk to no girl. I didn't do this. This is not mine.
What's your phone? What's your phone?
My phone in the house.
Why you got it in the house?
I forgot it, I guess. It's not in my pocket.
Nah, the thing you forgot your phone.
What you trying to say?
Your phone.
I do forget my phone all the time. I'm lying.
No, you don't, Corey. That's the first thing you get your wallet and your phone.
You want to drive? You want to take the car around the block or not now?
Corey, why you got condoms?
These are not mine.
Corey, it's like I'm mad, but I'm not mad.
I don't know why, because I'm not mine.
Yes, they ain't in your car, Corey. That was right here.
They got the deal to do. Must have. I didn't see
that. Corey, the dude checked the car before he left.
You know it, bro.
What part you not understanding? He checked everything. He checked the glove ball. He checked everything before he left. So what is you saying? Find a better lie.
I'm not lying.
Corey, those are.
I'm not lying.
So who else? Because nobody got in this car but you. You don't let nobody drive the car but
yourself.
So who was in this car?
Terrence, baby CJ, baby 80. Oh, I know who it is.
Point her in her.
Wow. Stop blaming on that boy.
It was mine.
Why would 80 have some condoms? They automatically tell me you lying.
No Terrence. It had to be his.
Terrence got a girl.
You come there and want to have a baby just yet. I don't know. It had to be his, not mine. It's not mine. I'm telling you, it's not mine.
Terrence, really?
You gonna call her?
You ain't got nobody.
I can call her.
I can call her because at the end of the day, you blame everything else but yourself. This is your car.
Because it's not mine.
They on your side. They on your side.
It's the honest side.
If that was his, they could have been right here in the glove box or somewhere. Especially if he know you got a girl. Why would he leave condoms in your car? And I know Terrence, before Terrence leave out the car, he checked everything.
He's Spanish.
How you know that?
Cause we be with him.
Oh, you know
even
that.
when we drive in my car.
So you be paying attention to him?
Cause he makes sure that he don't leave nothing in the car.
You watching him?
No, I don't be watching. He be telling me, Carmen, are you sure I ain't got nothing in the car?
No, I ain't heard say that.
Try to switch it on me. Call him.
Whoop his ass!
I ain't got no reason to be watching. He got a whole girl, just like you do, and you got.
Whoop his ass!
your
They're not mine.
Really?
I'm about to go. They're not mine. I'm telling you, they're not mine. I promise they're not mine. Boy, I swear to God, boy, they're not my condoms, man. I swear. I swear they're not mine.
This one never change.
I swear it's not his.
Who? What you mean? Man,
you always lied to me.
I'm not lying.
Ricky!
Come not lying. You make me mad when I lie. I ain't lying to you.
Why they in your car?
Lying!
No, they're not mine.
First time I get in this car. Who else be in this car besides?
They're not mine.
Oh, he threw the gun.
That's the only people you name.
They're not mine. I'll tell you they're not mine. They're not mine.
He got him.
Man, my dick too small for this anyway. What you saying?
Bruh.
Don't try to be sarcastic now.
You know.
Carmen, they're not mine. I'm telling you. They're not my condoms.
Oh, so a ghost just came and just.
I'm telling you, it had to be Terrence for real or real shit, not mine. Or either goddamn the dude that left him in the car, that sold the car to me.
I'm blaming on him because he.
I'm not blaming. I'm saying it must be theirs.
He checked the car before he left.
But they're not mine. So who else it gonna be?
You know what, Corey? I'm done with you. It is what it is. I don't even give a fuck no more. You want to use them, go use them. Hopefully that.
I don't want to use them. What am I using for?
Clearly you had them, so if you know that was right there, you could have been put them in the trash.
I didn't know.
Go with your another bitch. Go with your other bitch.
Shit! Nigga counting condoms in the car.
That's what we do.
Tit. Tat. No. Tit. Tat.
Is a nigga laughing?
Yeah, son. Like, what the fuck? You making...
I'm kind of freaked out right now.
Is she out the car just laughing about the car?
He put that.
Oh, no, he put it in there.
I thought I was going to take her for a ride in the car. Now she her feelings. She went there with a damn prank in the damn way.
She ain't done.
Here you go. You want to use condoms? Get down my house.
Get my condoms!
I'm fucking going.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, son. He fucked up.
He finna cry in the car.
Literally.
Get cold.
Oh, I'm saying it's time to cry in the car.
Oh no, she coming back out.
Cry in the car, brother. She don't feel bad.
He can't.
I don't know what you're waiting for. Get out. Get out. Get out. Now you gonna have your clothes in your car.
I don't mind to be in my old school anyway. Take it was a goddamn prank.
Yeah.
Off a goddamn motherfucking mind, man.
Oh, so mine. I'm saying it's something I lost.
Out here.
But mine. Ain't this my yard?
Pat that shit out quick.
Oh, man.
This shit heavy.
Damn, brother. In my face with it. Yeah, oh, brother.
I ain't cheating. Fuck.
Let's go away from the camera or something.
Yeah, when the camera be too close, that's exactly how that shit
Damn. Yo, look at here in my space. Brother, back the camera up.
I ain't do nothing. It was just a damn prank. It was just a prank. Man, it was just a prank. I promise you. I don't use no. I don't have no. I don't lose you. It was just a prank. Man, look, I swear.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
I swear it was just a prank. Look.
So who gonna wear that?
Right here.
I only heard prank in the last few words you just said.
That's it. I did. I'm gonna throw them in the trash again.
But hey, go for it, brother. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing.
I just bought it yesterday for the video.
Whatever, okay. I'm not finna scream in front of my babies.
I just bought it yesterday for the video.
Alright, okay, cool.
It was just a video.
I don't believe you.
I promise you.
Yeah, you probably used them already. And you played them just to excuse everything.
I'm my baby see it.
Oh, this nigga, man. This nigga mush mouth in the flesh, man. He talking about.
It's just a prank.
A babaloo. Look at
that. Baba Baloo.
I seen him doing on YouTube.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna do it too. Chill out.
Funny.
It was funny though, for real. I mean, it was funny.
That's why he in YouTube doing this thing.
Right, man. You
funny.
You gotta do this for the kid, and I'm just bring. The car gonna go in the trash can. That's it. I'm done with them.
Where they at?
They outside on the ground.
Go to the trash.
I'm putting the trash can. I'm putting the trash can right now. You know what I'm saying? You can watch me. You can watch me. You can watch me. Hold on. Baby, just a prank, babe. Come on, babe. I want. Come on. Trash can right now. Come on. I ain't happy for the kid. Hey, baby CJ. Hey, yeah, watch it TV. Watch it now, boy. Watch it. They right here. Look, they right here. Look, they right there. They right there. Look, you see him, right?
44.
It was. I honestly don't know how many. I swore I don't know. That's all you had in them when you gave me. You threw it to me. I don't know what that is.
Baby got bad.
I didn't know. You see, it was here. I didn't know. I didn't put it there.
Damn.
I don't know how many it was. Ooh, your booty look good, but I'm just saying.
My nigga, know what I'm saying? You just know what I'm saying.
You put the trash.
They not mine. I got up on the video. That's it. They not mine. They took them. Not mine. They steal the storage. They the trash can. They belong. Look. You know what? I put them in the trash.
You got gum here? Wait, your brother staying afterwards too?
I don't even chew gum, baby. That's not mine. Now that had to be when the dude sold the car, cause I don't chew gum, and you know that. Exactly.
Why?
I don't chew gum.
Gum was shitty.
Oh, dang.
You forgive me now?
You don't even chew gum.
You forgive me now?
That's facts.
Babe, it was just a prank. I love you. I love you a lot, girl. Look at that booty. Come on, stop playing now.
I'm looking.
Come on. You know what I'm saying? Put a smile on your face. Go on here and say, I got you. Go ahead and say, I got you.
Look at her.
You see?
She feel better low key. She ain't gonna tell him that.
Hell nah.
I had to do it though.
That going. What that's it?
She look like a lioness.
You love me?
Mm-hmm.
Steve said.
Yeah, I love you.
Nigga did a yes. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. He did a yes. But hey, man, that was the know what I'm saying. Carmen and Corey, that was funny. Know what I'm saying? But like, man,
Comment,
subscribe,
and share.
Definitely subscribe. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot the goddamn stop button. I'm pretty sure, like, you know what I'm saying? No, you ain't gotta do that. You ain't gotta do that.
Oh,
this is just good. Yeah.